Hello students, today I am going to discuss some previous year's question which is from class 12 ACES board and it is related to calculation of density of unit cell and its atomic radius. Now see the question which is come into 2014 ACES final exam. Okay, the question is what? X-ray diffraction studies show that copper crystallizes in a FCC lattice with edge length of 3.608 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Okay. If density of copper is 8.92 gram per centimeter cube, calculate the atomic mass of copper. This question contains 2 marks only. Okay. Now I am going to solve this question. First, you have to write all the given parameters. Okay. Here, this is a FCC lattice. Therefore, the value of Z will be 4. Edge length is 3.608 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. A is equal to, again density is what? 8.92 gram per centimeter cube. Also we know the value of Avogadro constant, that is what? So now we have to calculate the value of atomic mass or molar mass. So M is equal to question mark. Now we know that what? That is density equal to Z into M by A cube into Na. And from here we can calculate the value of atomic mass. After calculating this all value, we get the resultant value which is equal to 63.1 gram per mole. Okay. Therefore, atomic mass of copper is equal to 63.1 gram per mole. That is the answer. Next question is from 2016 ACES final exam. Okay. The question is what? Calculate atomic radius of elementary silver which crystallizes in FCC lattice with unit cell edge length 4.086 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Okay. In this question, we have to calculate the atomic radius. And this question contains 2 marks only. Okay. To solve this type of question, you have to remember the relationship between atomic radius and edge length. Okay. So here the value of edge length is given. Now put this value into the relationship between atomic radius and edge length. Okay. So we know what? R is equal to A by 2 root 2. This is the relationship between atomic radius and edge length in case of a FCC unit cell. So root 2 is nothing but it is 1.41 volt. After calculating this all value, we get the resultant value, that is equal to what? 1.444 into 10 power minus 10 meter, which is the atomic radius of that unit cell. Now see the next question, which is from 2016 ACES final exam. Okay. The question is what? Aluminium crystallizes as face-centered cubic lattice and it has a density of 2.7 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Calculate edge length of the unit cell. Okay. And what is given here? The atomic mass of aluminium is equal to 27.0 AMU. That is the atomic mass unit. Now I am going to solve this question. First, you have to write all the given parameters. So here density is what? 2.7 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. So first we have to convert this unit into gram per centimeter cube. Okay. All we know that what? 1000 kilogram per meter cube is equal to 1 gram per centimeter cube. That is equal to 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. Again, what is given here? That is the atomic mass of aluminium. See, this is a face-centered cubic lattice. So, the value of Z will be what? 4. We have to calculate the edge length of the unit cell. Now apply the density formula and now we can calculate the value of A. That implies what? A cube is equal to Z into M per D into N of A. Now putting the all values here, we can find the value of A. So the value of edge length will be what? 4.05 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. This is the answer of this question. So thank you for watching this video. Hope this video will help you. So if you like this video, then please click on the like button. Subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.